So we're going to replace that light, and that exterior light because they weren't the same. Welcome to our rental property. We live in an apartment, but we rent out our house. We're going to stain that door to make it dark to save money instead of buying a new front door. And here's the living room beams. We're going to remove all the paint, have all the paint removed, and stain them, make them pop out from that white wall. Those beams as well. There's 2 or 3 in there and 1 in the little nook. This is our kitchen. We remodeled the cabinets and the granite countertop a while back. We wish we did a different color. It's a little too dark for us. We're going to add a light right there. That's really nice. The glass, colored glass kind, and stain those beams. They look amazing. So I think there's 3, yeah. Now let's go to the living room again. And then we're also going to repaint the walls a lighter color, but it will be a nice beige color. Here's our bathroom. A couple of things we're going to do in here. We've already done the flooring a couple years ago. Is we're going to add a mirror, of course, and stain that cabinet dark instead of buying a new one to save money. Bedroom, we're going to clean that paint off and stain it. And same with this one. We're also removing the layer of, I don't know what that stuff is, particle board. We want to bring out the nice wood grain of that roof. And this is the 3rd/4th room. And we're going to do the same thing in here. Now outside we have a big yard. For Los Angeles it's considered big. We're just going to put in some bushes down there. A couple years ago we did put that path there. And then one more thing is this bathroom. It's ugly, so we're going to reglaze that shower wall and put in a pedestal sink for the sink to replace it, make it look really nice. So check in next week to see the middle phase, and then the 3rd week everything will be done and I'll show you how it looks.